little choppy out here today.
Which way are you guys gonna go?
We're at Bearhead Lake State Park. This is Bearhead Lake. Very beautiful up here. Winds are very strong, water's very choppy, but it's still a good time.
It's a great day for kayaking.
Yep, it is. It's not a great day for kayaking, but it's a good day. I guess every day is a great day for kayaking. Bearhead Lake State Park. You guys gonna try to get up on that? You gonna try to get up on that beaver dam?
Take a picture of you taking a picture of me.
All right.
Like cars and not be able to get over that low.
I wonder if that's because of the beavers.
A large beaver dam. Hi, Bonnie.
You could borrow some gloves. I have biker gloves that work really good. Yeah, he's got a booster. Yeah, I have